Well, my yard logging beans are starting to look pretty good. So it's starting to get to the point where I need to start training them up the trellis. This one's doing pretty good on its own. Kind of already trained that one up. This one here will need some training. It should be an easy one there. You can just slide it through a little bit. So sometimes it won't stay put because, you might get a breeze or something. It'll knock that out before it has a chance to start wrapping around there. Case in point over here, it's growing out this way, and I need it to grow up onto the trellis here. Now I could just, again, slide it through there. And it's got this little bit, has that little bit of it there. That one will kind of hold on by itself as long as that one piece is there. But what if you don't have enough that will go through, or say you have the leaf is too big to go through it, it won't hold on like that? Well, then you need to put something there to hold it. One option is this wire. You'll need some tin snips to cut it. You just cut a little piece off like so. And then what you do, you take your vine, slip it through the fence, and we'll hold it like so. Now, if you have windier conditions, you may want to tie it down a little bit more, but you want to be careful not to damage the vine itself. You can also use a bit of string to do this. It's with a loose knot or a slip knot. You only need it there for a few days until the vine wraps around by itself. But let's say you don't have any string or any of this stuff with the wire. You can use stick. Find a stick with two branches like this, with it's branching out. Snap that part off. And you can use this to help trellis. Take your vine, slide it in. There you have your trellis. And that's how you can train up your vines.